Chapter 5 Mathematics, Arithmetic Progression. There are some examples here. Example 3. Find 10th term. So what is the formula used? an equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. This is the formula we are going to use throughout this exercise. Throughout. So here 2 is the a. 2, first term. A is the first term. 2. D is difference between two consecutive terms. 12 minus 7 or 7 minus 2. I have taken 7 minus 2. That is 5. So use the formula 2 plus n minus 1 times 5 is an. An. That is 5n minus 3 after simplification. So nth term is this. What is 10th term? That is the question. N equal to 10. 5 tens, 50 minus 3 is 47 answer. Let us go to the second example. Example 4. Which term of AP is minus 81? Let us assume this minus 81 as nth term. Nth term. Again use the same formula. An is a plus n minus 1 times d. A is 21 first term. And d is minus 3. 18 minus 21 minus 3. So if you simplify, you will get 35th term as minus 81. Next example. Determine AP, whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Third term is 5 given. A plus 2d is 5. A plus n minus 1 n is 3. N minus 1d means 2d. A plus 2d is 5 given. Third term is 5. And seventh term is 7. N is 7 means n minus 1d is 6d. A plus 6d is 9. Now what remains is to solve this question. Subtract this from this. 0, 4d, 4. This from this. 2 minus 4 minus 4d equal to 5 minus 9 minus 4. So d1. We got d1. Substitute this d equal to 1 in this again. In this. A plus 2 is 5. A is 3. A is 3. D is 1. We got answer. Progression is 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. etc. Common difference 1. Check whether 301 is a term in the list. 5, 11, 17, 23. Here, first term is 5. A is 5. D is 11 minus 5, 6. We know A, we know D. So, 301. If it is in this list, it should have some n. A integer n. Let us see if it is there or not. An, that is 301, is 5 plus n minus 1 times 6. It comes to 6n minus 1. If 6n minus 1 is 301, 6n is 302, n is 302 by 6, not divisible. It is not an integer. So 302 cannot be in the given list just because n turns out to be not an integer. Example 7. How many 2-digit numbers are there divisible by 3? 2-digit number, first number will be 12. It starts there. 12, 15, 18 up to 99. So this is nth term, this is first term. A is 12 and D is this 3. D is 3. AN is 99. So 99 equal to 12 plus n minus 1 times 3 and n works out to 30. Example 8. Find the 11th term from the last term. 10. From the 11th term from the last, from minus 62 count this side. And he is asking what is 11th term. So what is D here? 7 minus 10 minus 3. A here 10. So what is minus 62? Nth term. 10 plus n minus 1 times minus 3 is minus 3 plus 13. Minus 3 plus 13, minus 3n plus 13 is 60, minus 62, n is 25. There are total 25 terms here. So what is 11th term from 25th term? That will be 15th term. So A15 is minus 45 plus 30 is minus 32. So this can be done in some other way. Just write minus 62 and go on adding 3. Minus 59, minus 56 and so on up to 10. You exactly want 11th term in this sequence. So A11 is minus 62A plus n minus 1. 11 means 11 minus 1, 10. 10 times 3 is minus 32. Same answer we got. Example 9. A sum of rupees 1000 is invested at 8% simple interest per year. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. Do these interest form AP? If so, find the interest at the end of 30 years. Okay. The interest at the end of first year, what is the PTR by 100? 1000 T. T 1 year or 8 by 100. PTR by 100, 80. The interest at the end of second year, 1000. This time it is 2 years, right? So T is 2 into 8 by 100, 160. Similarly, third year it works out to 240. 80, 160, 240. Are they not in AP? They are in AP. So here A is 80, B is also 80. The interest totals are in AP. So I have not done that second bit. At the end of 30 years, how much? A, you should work out to A plus 29D. That is 80 plus 80 times 29. That is 80 into 30, 2400. This is the answer. In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in first row, 21 in second row, 19 in third row, and so on. In last row, there are 5 rose plants. How many rows are there in the flower bed? So rose flowers are like this. One, like this. First row, second row, third row, so reducing, like that. So let us write 23 in the first row, 21, 19, this is in AP, right? With a common difference minus 2. 21 minus 23 is minus 2. AN is 5. Last one, AN, nth, third, AN is 5. So A is 23, D is minus 2, AN is 5, you can get N is 10. There are 10 rows in flower bed. This is the same way we did in exercise 5.2. I just scroll You just note down, please. If you don't know anything, here he has given some blanks. You have to fill up these blanks. So I did here. 1 goes here. 2 goes here. 3 goes here. And so on. You read those things, you will understand. If you don't understand, we can talk in comment section. Choose correct choice from following and just justify. 30th term of AP. What is 30th term of AP? A plus n minus 1D, A plus 29D. What is A? 10. What is D? 7 minus 10 minus 3. You know D, you know A, and you will get that 30th term. 30th term here I have done different color. 30th term is 10 plus 30 minus 1 into minus 3. That is minus 77. So, in the same way I did every problem. You have to just note down, that's it. You can pause the video, note it down. You must have your notebook. Lakshmi Vallabha Dina Sarinya Karuna Garudavahana. So that is ninth problem. We attempted in exercise 5.1 problem number 1, problem 1 to problem 9. And the remaining things we are going to do in next video. Meanwhile, why don't you, I am asking you are not doing, okay? Don't subscribe, subscribe, right? Thank you very much for watching.